of the different languages, linguistic families. So first family was Indo-European. Second was Latin. Third was
Balto-Slavic.
Fourth was
Sino-Tibetan.
Sino-Tibetan. Fifth was
Hamitic Nilotic family.
Semitic, Hamitic,
Nilotic.
including Nilotic family. Basically, Nilotic Renata. These are. And apart from this, we have African family. African region, most of the region is inhabited by tribal people. Every tribal group have their own localized dialect and they have a broader one linguistic groups. So this country was the destination of Europeans, Arabs, Indians, and they have this continent also developed the Pidgin language or the language mixed with the other countries. When the Arabs came, when the French came, English came, they mixed with the localized native tribal language and it evolved several other languages also. So basically it is the different here you have basically the Bantus language. Bantu is the tribe basically in Zaire, Congo, Cameroon, in part of this Rift Valley, Burundi, Rwanda, partly Tanzania. In this area they have then there is a language called Hausa language. Hausa is a tribe here. Every tribe have their own language. This is the region of Semite, and this is the region of Hamites, and this is the region of Nilotics. It is divided, but this is African. South of this line is African. Here in the eastern margin we have in the coastal region it is Swahili language. Swahili language is the language of Arab traders. The Arab traders who came from the Arab for trade activities, they developed this language in the coastal region. And this region is basically a language called Khoisan language. K-H-O-A, Khoisan. This is the Kalahari region is the Khoisan language. This region is the basically Zulu language. In South Africa, basically Zulu. There is a party also, political party called Zulu Inkatha Party, basically which ruled South Africa. Zulu is the tribe, Zulu is the language. Zulu, Khoisan, Bantus, Xhosa, Swahili, these are the different linguistic groups found in this region. And apart from that, yes, Yoruba. Apart from Xhosa, this is also having Y-O-U-R-U-B-A. Yoruba. Yoruba is the another language, and in eastern region, they developed a language called Lingala language. The French, this is Arabs, impact of Arabs in Swahili, but in Lingala they have the impact of French language. So French impact, and it developed a new language called Lingala language in the southwest Africa. This region is also known as the Skeleton Coast. Skeleton means ये अफ्रीका में यहाँ बहुत सारे skeleton of ships, skeleton of boats, because this is the zone of horse latitude. When the horse latitude में wind flow नहीं होता, wind is stationary generally, तो बहुत सारे ships डूब जाते थे, टूट जाते थे, क्योंकि लकड़ी के होते थे, वो टूटे हुए शिप बह के इस किनारे पे इकट्ठे हो जाते थे. So this area you may find hundreds or thousands of the broken ships. So इसलिए ships के skeleton पड़े हुए रहते हैं, इसलिए इसको skeleton coast कहते हैं. This is the slave coast. Mostly यूरोप में slaves को यहाँ से नाइजीरिया से ले जाया गया. There is a gold coast. घाना में this is gold coast. यहाँ बेसिकली गोल्ड का रूट था. यहाँ एक जगह है टिम्बकटू, सुना होगा आपने. टिम्बकटू जाने का रास्ता यहाँ से था, तो इसका नाम यहाँ गोल्ड कोस्ट करते हैं. यहाँ से गोल्ड लेके आते थे. टिम्बकटू इज नोन फॉर गोल्ड माइंस, स्लेव माइंस. यहाँ स्लेव्स होते थे. सो स्लेव कोस्ट, गोल्ड कोस्ट, आइवरी कोस्ट. आइवरी की लकड़ी, हाँ, आइवरी इज ए काइंड ऑफ टीक. हमारे डोमिनेंट ट्री होता है, ऐसे ही आइवरी वहाँ एक डोमिनेंट ट्री है, आइवरी कोस्ट. और ये नाइजीरिया वगैरह में गेहूँ खूब पैदा होता है, तो इसलिए ग्रेन कोस्ट. सो यहाँ अलग अलग नाम से जाना जाता है. ग्रेन कोस्ट, आइवरी कोस्ट, गोल्ड कोस्ट, स्लेव कोस्ट, स्केलेटन कोस्ट. सो दे आर द डिफरेंट कोस्ट, एंड हियर देयर इज द वाइल्ड कोस्ट. बहुत पावरफुल विंड्स और वेव्स चलती हैं, westerlies, that's why it is called wild. This is, but here I am talking about the Yoruba, Hausa, Bantus, Swahili, Zulu, and Bantus includes all the languages of different tribal groups. There are these several sub-dialects of Bantus. Bantus की बहुत सारी अलग-अलग dialect हैं. You may write some of the dialects, like Bantus means it is Konga is the language. Konga is the language. Konga से Congo बना. Benue is the language. Benue. Benue. Kawa. Gur. Mende. Adamawa. These are the different subgroups of different linguistic groups of their languages, and apart from this, we have Malay-Polynesian family. I hope African language linguistic group don't include Semite and Hamite. यहाँ कौन सा ट्राइबल ग्रुप रहता है? Can you name some tribal group here? मैंने बताया होगा आपको कभी. मसाई बेटे यहाँ रहते हैं. मसाई मसाई. कीनिया में, तंजानिया में मसाई रहते हैं. So this is Berber. और यहाँ जो माइग्रेट करते हैं ऐसे कुत्तों के साथ, नो, बेडुइन ऐसे माइग्रेट करते हैं, इंडिया तक आते हैं, जिसको हम गार्डियन लोहार भी कह देते हैं. ऐसे माइग्रेट करते हैं. बेडुइन बेसिकली टेंट में रहते हैं. यू नो कर्नल गद्दाफी, he was the ruler of Libya, but he was living in a tent because he belonged to a Bedouin tribe. So Bedouin ये होते हैं तुआरेग, तुआरेग. ये नाम आपको बर्बर तुआरेग भूलना नहीं है, वो सभी एक ट्राइब है. There is another tribe called फुलानी. मैं फुलानी इसलिए कहता हूँ कि बर्बर और होशा और फुलानी की आपस में लड़ाई होती रहती है. फुलानी फुलानी नोमैड हैं, पशुओं को लेके घूमते रहते हैं, और होसा लोग एग्रीकल्चर करने लगे, सेटल हो गए। तो फुलानी लोगों के एनिमल्स इनके खेतों को तबाह कर देते हैं। सो देयर इज ए कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑलवेज। नाइजर और नाइजीरिया कंट्री से फुलानी और होसा के कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की स्टोरियाँ हम सुनते रहते होंगे। सो दिस दैट्स व्हाई इट इज फुलानी, बट होसा इज ए लैंग्वेज। योरुबा इज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ फुलानी बेसिकली। सो योरुबा यहाँ की फुलानी लोगों की और दूसरे सब लोगों की लैंग्वेज है। योरुबा, होशा, बांटो, स्वाहिली। So these are the 4-5 prominent languages. So Kosian language is another, and after this Malay-Polynesian family. This is the seventh and the last family, greater family, linguistic family, Malay-Polynesian. Malay-Polynesian family. So this is in Southeast Asia, apart from China. Sino-Tibetan language. We discussed in Sino-Tibetan language, this covers only China, Tibet, Japan and Korea. Then the large section of Southeast Asia is left behind. What about Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, Thailand, Myanmar, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, including islands of Pacific Ocean, Solomon Island, Kiribati Island, you can say all the islands, Melanesian Island, Micronesian Island, Polynesian Island, up to Fiji Island, Line Island. There lakhs of islands are there in Pacific Ocean, and people are living over there. Though they are living in the isolated conditions, but still they belong to a particular linguistic family, so they belong to the Malay-Polynesian. In this family, in region, this is also known as Australonesia. Australonesia. Australia and Asia. Australonesia. So this it includes margins of Australia. So they are having, I would say this is the linguistic melting pot. So Malay यहाँ इंडोनेशिया में कौन गया था? अरब्स। फिलीपींस में यूरोपियंस। म्यांमार and Thailand, Indians. Vietnam, Singapore, Laos, Cambodia, Chinese. क्या बात है, अरब्स भी यहाँ है, यूरोपियंस में भी, पुर्तगीज भी यहाँ है, इंग्लिश भी यहाँ है, फ्रेंच भी यहाँ है, डच भी यहाँ है। So many people living all together. अरब्स इंडोनेशिया, मलेशिया में पहुँच गए, तो अरेबियन लैंग्वेज का इम्पैक्ट आया। यूरोपियंस, पुर्तगीज, इंग्लिश, फ्रेंच, डच, डेनिश, all people, the English, they all reached over there in the same region, because this is the region of highest biodiversity in the world. Islandic region, having islands, having high temperature and regular rainy conditions. So they are having the maximum biodiversity in the world, close to equator. So they need, and because of biodiversity reason, they are having the variety of agricultural products, and in search of the agricultural product for their trade and other activities, for industrial requirement, they reached over there in the Southeast Asia. तो वहाँ गए तो इनका प्रभाव हुआ अरब्स का, यूरोपियंस का, इंडियंस का, एंड दी चाइनीज तो है ही, सारा चाइना लोग, मेजॉरिटी में चाइनीज आए। लाइक हांगकॉन्ग, 75% पॉपुलेशन ऑफ सिंगापुर, 75% पॉपुलेशन ऑफ सिंगापुर इज चाइनीज पॉपुलेशन। only 12% are the Indians. So they shifted in India, basically they shifted from Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So majority of the people shifted from China. तो सबकी लैंग्वेज मिक्स हुई. They have certain dominant languages. So they have regional linguistic groups evolved. So Indonesia में still they have a called Bhasha. The name of the language is Bhasha. Bhasha means Indonesian language, and that is the common language. That mix in Bhasha you will find alternate words of Arabian language, Arabic, alternate words of Hindi, alternate words of Sanskrit, and alternate words of their own language, localized language of it. एक नई भाषा बनी, so भाषा of Indonesia. So, and Malaysia, the Malay is the language, Malay Peninsula. So this is the linguistic melting pot of the world, even the cultural melting pot of the world. You will find the culture, people of different cultural groups in the same region. So this is the one. Apart from that, I also wanted to let you know some of the prominent languages in the world. You just write down some of the important languages of the world, most spoken languages of the world. Most spoken languages are, number one, कौन सी लैंग्वेज है?
सर आज तो हिंदी होगी, अब तो हिंदी होगी.
हिंदी हो गई?
यस सर. जनवरी के न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ा था.
अच्छा, कौन से न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ा?
सर उसमें द हिंदू में. द हिंदू
हिंदू में?
यस सर. पहले मैंड्रिन थी, अब हिंदी हो गई है.
ओके, तो हिंदी मीन्स आपने
मोस्ट स्पोकन.
मराठी को भी हिंदी में कर लिया, गुजराती को भी ऐड कर लिया? नो. If it is so, Marathi have different script, Gujarati have different script, Udiya have different script, though they have the origin from Sanskrit, but उनकी एक अपनी language है. Most spoken language is Mandarin, Chinese language, जिसका बहुत difference है. सारा इंडिया भी हिंदी बोलने लग जाए, तब भी Mandarin को पास नहीं कर सकता. The population of China is 24% to the total population of the world. Indians are only 16% to the total population of the world. 16.5%. So China is still way ahead from India in terms of language. Most spoken language is Mandarin. Most spoken languages. Number one is Mandarin. 1.2 billion population. Speaker है. This is the speakers. कितने बोलने वाले speakers? Number of speakers. Number two is Spanish. Number three is English. Number four is Arabic. All Hamite, Semite कितने रीजन में है? Number fifth is Hindi. But still, I have doubt. Hindi speaker are more than the Arabian language, Arabic language. But it is very difficult to find out the accurate data about the spoken language. So sometimes we have several tribal groups in India, like in Chota Nagpur Plateau, we have Gond, Khon, Munda, Birhor, Santhal, Pega, hundreds different tribal groups. Every tribal group have different dialect. When an enumerator goes, this is we are not Hindi speaking people, but Hindi is the main language. Though gradually they are merging into Hindi language. So I want to just write down some of the names here. The absolute number Spanish is 400 million plus. English is 360 million plus. Arabic is less. बेटर मैं इसको हिंदी ऊपर लेके आता हूँ. Hindi is 300 अरेबिक इज 250 मिलियन। मैंने कई तरह से डाटा लिया है, सभी डाटा का सोर्स अलग अलग है एंड एवरी डाटा इज कंट्राडिक्टिंग, सो दीज ऑल आर अप्रोक्सीमेट फिगर्स। तो अप्रोक्सीमेट फिगर में कुछ भी हो जाए, 1200 मिलियन है, 1200 मिलियन, इसको इनमें से कोई भी क्रॉस नहीं कर सकता, सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल। एंड नंबर 6 इज पोर्टुगीज। आप सोचते हो पोर्टुगीज बिकॉज ब्राजील एंड मोजाम्बिक आर द टू इंपॉर्टेंट कंट्रीज, largest countries, one of the most populous country of their country, their continent. In Brazil in South America and Mozambique in South in Africa. These are the two countries. They are also speaking Portuguese. That is their language. So that's why they have large population. Portuguese 215 million. And this is Bengali. Because entire Bangladesh and West Bengal 170 million, and apart from this is Russian language also 170 million, and apart from this Japanese को दो तरह से, जैसे हम देवनागरी में लिखते हैं और उर्दू में भी लिख सकते हैं हिंदी को, तो लेकिन हमने उर्दू को अलग कर दिया, लेकिन देवनागरी और जैपनीज को भी दो भाषाओं में, दो स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा जा सकता है। इन स्क्रिप्ट का नाम है हिरोगना, HIRO, हिरोगना, एंड दूसरा स्क्रिप्ट का नाम है काटाकोना, काटाकोना। ये जैपनीज भाषा की दो स्क्रिप्ट है, दोनों को मिला के Japanese are 130 million, and apart from that, this is the 10th. This is the number 10. Number 10 is Punjabi. In Pakistan, this is locally known as Lendaha, LEN. उर्दू में इसको लेंदा बोलते हैं, LAH, लेंदा लैंग्वेज। सो 100 million people are speaking this, and apart from Lenda, there are some other groups like we have French. Apart from French, we have the Germans. And other larger group is Italian. Other larger group is Persian in Iran, जिसको हम फारसी लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं ना, फारसी is one of the language. French, the size is 80 million, but Germans का 89 million. Italians are 65 million and Persians are 60 million. There is some other languages like Korean, 77 million. Apart from that, some important Indian languages, say Telugu, and apart from Telugu, it is Marathi. Telugu speaker are 74 million and Marathi speaking are 72 million approximately. This is all approximate figure, and apart from that, Tamil, all Indian languages, Tamil are 74 million, again very close. And there is a language called Swahili. मैंने आपसे बात की थी ना, Swahili speakers are 16 million. And एक Hausa language है, HAUS. Hausa is the language and इसके speaker है 25 million. So this is broad configuration or the distribution of So major linguistic groups are starting from Mandarin. Spanish means most of the South America, all the countries, whether Argentina, Chile, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, or Paraguay, Uruguay, Mexico, they all are speaking the Spanish language. English, basically England and the region where the English people ruled. So it spread in large part of the world because of their colonialism. Hindi, Arabic, because it diffused to Africa. Semitic and Hamitic people, Sahara people, they all are speaking Arabic language, Portuguese, in Mozambique and Brazil, Bengali, Russian, Japanese, and the Punjabi, French, German, Italian, all these are clear cut. Most of the countries are fabricated, evolved on the basis of the linguistic groups. So French is one linguistic group, one country. Where are the French speaking people are there, the country. Germans, where are the German language is spoken, the country. Where the Italian language is spoken, where the Persian language is spoken, so only one Persia. Where the Korean language is, so language is very important reason for demarcating the political boundary or formation of countries in the world. So this is about the distribution of the world. About India also, since I am giving the detail about the world, I also wanted to share the four important linguistic families of India. About in India, you know, we have the different linguistic groups. So in India, languages. So one language is Austric language. Second, apart from Austric, second is you can say Sino-Tibetan family. Third is we have the Dravidian family. And the fourth is Indo-European family. So Austric means Australoid people. We have the Australoid racial group found in India. Australoid are basically the tribal people of eastern India, Chota Nagpur Plateau. All the tribal groups, O, Munda, Birhor, these are the tribal groups. O, Munda, Birhor, Santhal, Bega, Horn, they all are basically Austric language. So they belong to Australoid racial group. They are different to mainland people. Partly they carry the characteristics of Negro people, partly they carry the characteristics of Mediterranean people. आधे ये निग्रो के करीब है, आधे हमारी तरह मेडिटेरेनियन के नज़दीक है, तो बीच के हैं तो वही उनकी एक भाषा भी अलग है. उसके बाद है साइनो-टिबेटन बेसिकली हिमालय और उसके आसपास और नॉर्थ ईस्ट में गारो, खासी, जैंतिया, अबोर, डाफला, मिसमी, अंगामी, कोनियाक, कुकी, लोथा, सेमा, त्रिपुरी. जो ये सब मैंने ट्राइबल ग्रुप्स के नाम लिए, इन सब की अपनी